Hi beautiful people, and welcome back to another video. Today's video we are gonna be packing. I'm going on a little trip, a 3 to 4 day trip. I'm not gonna say where I'm going because you're gonna be seeing it in the content that's coming, so definitely subscribe and don't miss out on that. But yeah, I'm gonna be walking you through my little packing process and then show you all the things that I do just to make sure that when I get back I can ever so seamlessly just jump right back into my routine. So if you're new, my name is Balbine. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Let's just jump into the video. Okay, so before we even get into the packing, I need to do some little bit of cleaning. I hate nothing like coming back from a trip and finding a house that's messy, dishes waiting for me. The bed is not, no, We wanna come back and just seamlessly, okay, jump right back, and leaving my house clean is one of those things that really help me with that. So yeah, let's do a little picking up behind ourselves and then we can get into the real packing.
Tell where my head was at when you found me. Me and you went to hell and back just to find peace. Man, I thought I had everything, I was lonely. Now you're my everything, I was lonely. I missed a lot of love with a lot of drugs, then I found you. She liked petty crime, she had green eyes like Mountain Dew. And where she go, I'll never know, her friends bounce to. I guess it's their loss, cause they'll never know what we'll amount to. And would you be my light, be my yellow? PYT walking down Portobello, put a smile on his face. At the end of the day, MDMA helped us fly away. Who'da known you would save my life? Who'da known you would fly my kite? Could you tell, could you tell? Could you tell? Could you tell where my head was at when you found me? Me and you went to hell and back just to find peace. Man, I thought I had everything, I was lonely. Now you're my everything, I was lonely. Yeah, yeah, I remember I was all alone. Late night you would call my phone just to check if I was blessed, cause you knew I was low. Head gone rolling off the throne. I remember we was in the park. Late night made love on the grass. Got my head in the clouds counting all my stars. In my ear said the world was ours. But to hell and back just to heal my wounds, cause it gets like that.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna try. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. I said, oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole.
Okay, so now that we have the whole house clean, I went ahead and did my bed, just cleaned the bathrooms, everything is squeaky clean. It's technically nighttime now. yeah, let's get into the real fun stuff, the packing. I am a professional overpacker. Yeah, that is just, I don't know if I inherited or whatnot, but I will overpack each and every single time. But I am trying to work on it. We're only gonna be using just a carry-on. My husband has a bag that I intend to put a few things in.
No.
If you know, you know. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be there with like my little, yeah. But we're gonna be sharing that bag. It's gonna be checked, but I wanna keep all my valuables and like all the things that I know I need for sure on this trip with me. So it's gonna have to be in this little carry-on. 4 days is not a lot of time. I shouldn't need too much, so we're gonna try to not take too many things. It is very cold where I'm going though, at least compared to where I live here on the West Coast. So I need layers, and that makes the number go up of things that I should be taking with me. And not to mention that these are chunky pieces. They're not your little, like, you know, easy foldable clothes that you can just like overpack and be fine. These are chunky clothes, so we need to have a game plan, but let's just get into this right now. So what am I taking? 2 pairs of pants, 2 pairs of black turtlenecks, a white t-shirt for layering, and 1 knit sweater, 1 dress for dinner, pair of pajamas, 2 pairs of leggings, 1 t-shirt, working out top, 2 jackets, 1 small one, and a trench coat, as well as a scarf, fleece lined tights.
I'm begging. I'm begging, begging you to put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you to put your loving hand out, darling. Riding high when I was king, I played it hard and fast, I had everything. I walked away, you want me then, but easy come and easy go, and it wouldn't. So anytime I bleed, you let me go. Yeah, anytime I feel, you got me, no. Anytime I see, you let me know. But the plan and see, just let me go. I'm on my knees when I'm begging, cause I don't wanna lose you. Hey, yeah, ra-da-da-da, cause I'm begging, begging you. Put your love in the hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you. Put your love in the hand out, darling. I need you to understand. Try so hard to be your man, the kind of man you want in the end. Only then can I begin to live again. An empty shell I used to be, the shadow all my life was hanging over me. A broken man that I don't know, won't even stand, that never stands to be my soul. Why we're chilling, why we're chasing, why the bottom, why the basement, why we got good, she don't embrace it, why the feel for the need to replace me. You're the wrong way, trying to good, I went up in a feature town where we could be at, like a